Choose the correct form. He dashed to school every day. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. The synonym of rapid is A. Quick. B. Sad. C. Heavy. Choose the correct word. I prefer tea dash coffee. A. Than. B. To. C. For. Which sentence is correct? A. She don't like apples. B. She doesn't like apples. C. She not like apples. Choose the correct preposition. The book is dash the table. A. On. B. In. C. Off. Choose the antonym of begin. A. End. B. Start. C. Open. Fill in the blank. He is dash honest man. A. B. An. C. The. The plural of child is A. Childs. B. Children. C. Childs. Choose the correct form of verb. She dash a song now. A. Sings. B. Is singing. C. Sang. The opposite of difficult is A. Hard. B. Easy. C. Tricky. Identify the correct sentence. A. He run fast. B. He runs fast. C. He running fast. Which is a conjunction? A. Because. B. Very. C. Fast. Select the proper noun. A. School. B. City. C. Paris. Complete the sentence. We dash watching a movie last night. A was, B were, C is. Find the error. She can sing well. A. Can. B. Sings. C. Well. Choose the correct word. He is taller dash Ali. A. Than. B. 10. C. The synonym of intelligent is A. Dull. B. Smart. C. Slow. Choose the correct spelling. A. Receive. B. Receive. C. Receive. Which one is an adjective? A. Beautiful. B. Quickly. C. Dance. Choose the right sentence. A. Where you are going. B. Where are you going? C. You are going where? Ali went to the market to buy fruits. He bought apples, bananas, and grapes. What did Ali buy? A. Apples and mangoes. B. Only bananas. C. Apples, bananas, and grapes. Studies every night because she wants to pass her exam. Why does Zara study every night? A. She likes books. B. She wants to pass. C. She's bored. The sun sets in the west. Where does the sun set? A. East. B. North. C. West. John missed the bus and had to walk to school. What happened to John? A. He drove to school. B. He missed the bus. C. He stayed home. The sky was full of dark clouds. Soon, it started to rain. What happened next? A. It snowed. B. It rained. C. It became sunny. Choose the word that means to look at something quickly. A. Glance. B. Stare. C. Watch. Choose the correct homophone. He read the whole book in one dash. A. Sitting. B. Sighting. C. Setting. Choose the correct form. Neither of the boys dash present. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. Which sentence uses the word match correctly? A. She played a football match. B. I buy a match of rice. C. We go to match a bus. Choose the correct phrase. She is fond of music. A. For. B. Of. C. On. Past tense of go. A. Goes. B. Gone. C. Went. Which is an interrogative sentence? A. He is happy. B. Are you coming? C. They went to school. The word quickly is a ad. A. Noun. B. Adjective. C. Adverb. Complete the sentence. If I were rich, I dash travel the world. A. Will. B. Would. C. Can. Select the correct form. He has dash a beautiful painting. A. Draw. B. Drew. C. Drawn. Choose the correct article. I saw dash elephant in the zoo. A. B. An. C. The. Pronoun for Sarah. A. He. B. It. C. She. Past tense of eat. A. Eaten. B. Ate. C. Eated. Choose the correct sentence. A. I has a new laptop. B. I have a new laptop. C. I having a new laptop.
The correct verb form they dash working since morning. A, are, B, have been, C is.
The antonym of brave is A. Coward. B. Strong. C. Wise. Choose the correct spelling. A. Environment. B. Environment. C. Environment. It was raining dash we stayed home. A but B so C because. What is the plural of mouse? A. Mouses. B. Mice. C. Mousen. Select the correct sentence. A. They has gone to school. B. They have gone to school. C. They is gone to school. Opposite of always. A. Never. B. Sometimes. C. Often. Which word is a verb? A. Jump. B. The cat sat dash the mat. A. In. B. On. C. Under. Find the error. She can able to sing. A. Can. B. Able. C. Sing. I'm looking forward dash your reply. A. To. B. At. C. For.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.